All right, let's go ahead and do the first two here in the same video. So if we're going to add these together, the first thing we have to do is get the real components added together, and then the imaginary components added together. Whoops. Okay, and then it's just a matter of 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 minus 7i is negative 3i, and that is your answer. 5 minus 3i. For multiplying, we've done a lot of problems like this where you just multiply the outside terms together. So 3 times 2 is 6. Multiply the first terms together, then the outside terms together. So that's 3 times negative 7i is negative 21i. And then we multiply the inside terms together, which would be another I term. So that's negative 4i times 2 is plus 8i. And then our last terms will multiply together, and that's going to be negative 28i squared. So we've got 6, and then we have negative 21i plus 8i is going to be minus 13i. And then don't forget, every time you see I squared, you need to make this substitution. So really what we're saying here is negative 28 times negative 1. So we're really saying 6 plus 28 and then minus 13i. So that ends up being 34 minus 13i. And that is your product.